up you guys, it's Shivangi and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to create this look. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to create this Indian glam look. It's not all that complicated, it's pretty simple to be honest, and all the products which I'll be using, the links to those products will be mentioned in the description box below. Also, if you want to watch this video in Hindi, I will be releasing it in Hindi on our Hindi channel tomorrow. If you don't know, we've got 3 channels guys. We've got a Bengali channel, English channel and Hindi channel. The links to all the channels are also in the description box below, so it's a request, please go through them, and if you like our content then please subscribe. So that's pretty much it. Without wasting any more time, let's begin the tutorial. To prime my skin, I'll be using Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. For foundation, I'll be using M.A.C Studio Fix Foundation in the shade NC35. Next, I'll be using L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Amber. To set my base, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium. For contouring, I'll be using Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I always do light contouring just on my cheekbones and jawline. Next, I'm going to fill out my eyebrows. For that, I'll be using Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake. I'll be using these 2 shades to fill out my eyebrows. As always, to fill out my eyebrows, I brush them downwards, then I draw a shape and then brush them again upwards and then fill all the gaps. We'll start off with the eye makeup now. I'm going to use Huda Beauty New Nude palette for the same. First, I'm going to use this shade called Secret from the palette and apply it all over my crease. Next, I'm going to take this shade called Raw from the palette and apply it on my crease as well, just below the transition shade. I'll be applying this shade on the outer corners of my eyelids as well. Now with the help of a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend these 2 shades nicely. Before applying the shimmery shade, I'm going to prime my eyelid with PAC Sparkly Distraction Glitter Primer. I love this glitter primer guys. It is so good for glittery eyeshadows and shimmery eyeshadows. Whenever you use it with a shimmery eyeshadow, it sits so well on your eyelid and it also gives a foil look to your eyeshadow. Don't use this glitter primer on your entire eyelid, only use it on the empty area. Now I'm going to take this shade called Charm from the palette and with the help of my fingers, I'm going to tap it on top of this glitter primer. I've gotten the camera a little close to show you exactly how I'm doing this. Next, I'm going to use a Kajal as an eyeliner, and for that I'll be using K by Katrina's Kajal Spade. I'm not going to make a wing liner out of this, I'm only going to apply it on my upper lash line. Next, I'm going to take an angular brush, something like this. I'm going to dip it in the shade Raw, and I'm going to smudge the eyeliner which we just created with the Kajal. I'm doing this step just to give a little bit of a smoky, smudged out look to this eye look. Your eyeshadow will look something like this after smudging it out. It's time to do the lower lash line now. For that, I'm going to take the shade Raw and apply it halfway through my lower lash line. And lastly, I'm going to use the same Kajal from K by Katrina to apply on my waterline. I'll be using falsies, but before that, I'll apply a layer of L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I've put the falsies off camera, guys. You'll find the details of them in the description box below. For blush, I'll be using MAC Cosmetics Sheer Tone Blush in the shade Gingerly. For highlighter, I'll be using OFRA highlighter in the shade Bali. First, I'm going to highlight the brow bone and the inner corners of my eyelids, and after that, I'll highlight all the high points of my face. It's a beautiful, subtle, peachy golden highlighter, guys. It is my current favorite. It gives a very nice and natural sun-kissed glow. For my lips, I'll be using Colorbar Matte Me As I Am Lip Crayon in the shade Leap. Last and final step is using a makeup fixing spray. I'll be using MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix. That's it, guys. This was the tutorial. We've come to an end of this video. I truly hope that you enjoyed watching it, and if you're not following me on Instagram, then ensure that you do. I keep posting makeup related content there, and I do a lot of interaction with my audience on Instagram. Also, if you have not subscribed to our channel already, then please subscribe to our channels. As I was telling you in the beginning of the video, we've got 3 channels: Hindi, English and Bengali. We're working triple hard, guys. We're just trying to create a really happy and positive community here, and your support means the world to us. So please go through all our channels, and if it's not too much to ask for, please subscribe to them as well. On that note, I'm going to sign off for now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.